If the rate of elimination is proportional to the concentration of the plasma of the given drug, you call it as first order kinetics. अगर ज़्यादा concentration है तो ज़्यादा elimination होता, कम concentration है तो drug concentration in the plasma, कम elimination होता. Wherever drug overdose is there, you require first order or zero order? First order. But unfortunately, drugs will shift into zero order when there is a drug overdose. Like alcohol. ज़्यादा पिए तो first order नहीं चलेगा, zero order में जाएगा. ज़्यादा पिए तो slowly alcohol will leave the body. But if you consume less alcohol, then it follows first order and you will lose the alcohol very quickly. But that's the reason humans won't stop with the first round, second round of drink, no. They will start drinking third round, fourth round, 40th round, etc., etc. Now, doctor, antemortem. There's an increase in enzyme, vesicle formation, line of redness. These are all the things which are the classical features. Brownish oral mucosa and tongue constricted pupils with greenish brown urine. Where do we see it? Carbolic acid poisoning is what need to be remembered. Similarly, where are meiotic pupils seen? I think now you are all reading the small books now. They are the lifesavers, they are like the cocaine shots which you have to be sure of clearing all single liners. 21-year-old female, iliac crest and clavicle are the best ones. Widmark formula is mainly for the blood level of the alcohol. Should be answered, doctor. Lobar pneumonia is mainly because of strep or staph. Strep, very good. Everybody is saying the same. Streptococcus is the answer by everybody. Bronchopneumonia is Staph aureus. Lobar is Pneumococcus klebsiella. Interstitial viruses, Mycoplasma, Legionella, Chlamydia. This is what our medicine professor has taught in the medicine rounds. Now, carbon monoxide poisoning, postmortem staining will be cherry red. Which snake is poisonous? Which is not poisonous? How will you recognize? So now snake catching techniques also should be good to get a good seat. A compressed tail, nocturnal living, long fangs. They all make the snake become really, really poisonous. Incomplete belly snakes make it more non-poisonous in nature. Arsenic may red velvety appearance of the stomach mucosa classical. A 25-year-old man had a intercourse with 13-year-old girl whom he has supposed to have married. So what is the definition of a rape? Under section 375 IPC, even if the wife is under 15, sexual intercourse is unlawful. First of all, how can she become wife below 15? That is another confusion I always used to have. But suppose according to the local law of that tribe, because there are some general laws in the country and individual laws also are applicable to the community and people. Any other woman who is under age of 16, even if she consents or doesn't, and any other woman above 16 against the consent of her is considered to be the pure definition of rape. Oral testimonies say what is exempted. A dying declaration, chemical examination report, medical expert in lower courts, if he came to give an evidence, he need not be called to the upper court and once more cross-examined. Now, what is the right superior rectus yoke muscle? Whenever the eyes are moving, one extraocular muscle is paired with another extraocular muscle of the contralateral eye is basically called yoking. So, if we look at the various muscles, doctor, left lateral rectus, right medial rectus, left superior rectus, right inferior oblique, then right inferior rectus, left superior oblique. That's how the yoke pairing typically happens. Now, what is the volume of the orbit? It is around 30 ml, which can decrease by about 7 ml after you do enucleation. Muller's has a sympathetic supply, hence there can be enough thalamus in those who have Horner. What is the equatorial diameter of the lens? It is around 9 millimeters. Polar diameter AP is around 5 mm. After aphakia, 6 weeks you should let, before prescribing the spectacles. Myopic eyes are all large, hypermetropic are small. Should be answered. Hyperphagia, hypersexuality, hyperorality, hyperdocility. Cliver-Bucy syndrome typically is seen in the bilateral lesions of which important neuroanatomical structure? That's right. Dr. Kirti, Dilip, Siri, Madhavi, everyone shooting me the answer. Amygdala. That's right. High myopia. What is the main treatment? Contact lens can very much be prescribed, and refractive keratotomy is only useful if the myopia is of the low degree myopia, not high degree. Now, if there is a degenerative myopia, what is the important complication it can lead to? It can lead to the degeneration of the posterior half of the sclera, and out of all you may find a myopic crescent, and there will be a vitreous degeneration, floaters, and the degeneration of the vitreous is considered to be most serious form of a complication. In hypermetropic individuals, there can be development of a phenomena which is called pseudopapillitis. What do you mean by true papillitis? If there is a retrobulbar neuritis, then that inflamed papilla is true papillitis. Now, in the case of the high degrees of hypermetropia, hypermetropia is associated with small eye. A small eye will lead to crowding at the level of the papilla, which looks like inflamed papilla, hence called pseudopapillitis, which is seen in the case of a small globe size in the case of the hypermetropic individuals. By mistake, too many questions jumped from the acoustic neuroma topic. Only one topic, too many questions slipped programmatically. Superior vestibular nerve is the one which is important for the acoustic neuroma. If there is an acoustic neuroma, what is the common presentation of the patient? Hearing loss is considered to be the earliest presenting feature. Progressive unilateral sensory neural hearing loss is what need to be remembered. Schwannoma, it involves the vestibular portion. Then nystagmus, unilateral deafness, loss of corneal reflex due to the fifth cranial nerve involvement, they are all the features of acoustic neuroma. Now, corneal sensation can be lost among the ocular findings of acoustic neuroma. Tinnitus can be a presenting feature of a acoustic neuroma. Then, if there is a scant, foul smelling, painless discharge from the ear, then you will think of cholesteatoma. If there is a middle ear cholesteatoma, mainly it is the surgical treatment which is most important. And a good surgical treatment will be able to maintain a good level of hearing is what need to be remembered. If there is a mucosal bleeding, shoot me an answer. Yeah, some of the students from Warangal said inferior or superior vestibular nerve. Last state entrance, it costed the life of people. Some references saying inferior, some references saying superior. I hope DNB question bank will have a more appropriate correct answer. Von Willebrand is not a right answer, Dr. Shweta. GP2B3A problem is basically called what? Is it von Willebrand? Even Dr. Siri says, yes, Dr. Sumati is right. It is the Glanzmann's thrombocythemia, which is a defect in the platelet aggregation due to GP2B3A is what need to be remembered. Cyclodevelopmental, cyclopropagative, and propagative. Past 20 years, same question. So, doctor, malaria is a one, which is cyclopropagative, where the agent changes both in the form and also number. If the mother had measles, the child will be immune due to those immunoglobulins until about 4 to 6 months. Rubella is contraindicated, being a live attenuated vaccine. You can't give it in those who are immunosuppressed, a girl with leukemia or pregnancy, but it is very much indicated in all the girls who are entering into the reproductive age group after puberty. It is very much indicated. Now, a herd immunity tightly of about 70% is required to prevent the spread of diphtheria. A 2-year-old comes to PHC with a history of cough and fever, 4 days, inability to drink at least water for the last 12 hours. 45 per minute is the respiratory rate. How do you grade the respiratory distress in the pediatric population? Not able to drink makes it very severe. And pneumonia, which is not severe, is child who has fast breathing but no chest in drawing. No pneumonia, cold or cough is the next grade. So you must know the different grades, how to manage the pneumonia in the community, common question. BCG, typically the lesion will be maximum, local lesion, by about 4th week, 28 days. Dengue virus, what maintains it and survive during the interepidemic period? Typically the transovarian transmission of the virus, which is basically responsible. To answer this, you must be insect gynecologist. All the way, how does it survive in the ovary, transovarially it get transmitted. Now the best vaccine for the rabies is HDCC, human diploid cell vaccine, is what need to be remembered. Now red Quran jelly sputum should be an answer, doctor. Alcoholic diabetics is due to Klebsiella. Excellent. We get an answer already in Hyderabad. Klebsiella is the answer. That's right. Dr. Shiva also says Klebsiella. Japanese encephalitis. Pigs only act like a reservoir, but they don't show encephalitis. Now, epidemic typhus. There is a big list, doctor, dirty list. I always hated this. माइक्रोबायोलॉजी में ये आएगा, उसको वहां छोड़ दिए तो एसपीएम में आके बैठेगा. Epidemic typhus, Prophylactiae, relapsing fever, Borrelia, trench fever, Quintana, and you must know they're all the ones which are where the lice is the vector.